Google's Pixel 10 just got an early and unexpected shout-out, and it looks like it's bringing a serious speed boost. Smartphone companies usually keep quiet about upcoming devices until their official unveiling, but let's be real, we all know the Pixel 10 is coming. It's the natural follow-up to the Pixel 9 from 2024 and the Pixel 8 from 2023. We've even seen leaked renders, so it's hardly a secret. What's interesting this time is that Google indirectly acknowledged the Pixel 10's existence through a slip-up in the Android open-source project code. And this early mention hints at a performance upgrade that could impact all Android devices. Tech insider Mishal Rahman from Android Authority found a code reference to performance mode in parallel module loading. A Google engineer noted that this tweak results in a 30% reduction in loading time on the Pixel 10. That might not sound like a game changer at first, but it directly impacts how quickly the phone boots up. Of course, this improvement applies to a specific part of the boot process, the stage right after the Linux kernel loads, so the overall speed boost might not be as dramatic, but any increase in performance is always a welcome improvement. Interestingly, the same code suggests a 25% boot speed boost for the Pixel Fold. Google didn't specify which model, but since the improvement is smaller than on the Pixel 10, it's likely referring to the original 2023 foldable rather than an unreleased device. So far, leaked renders suggest that the Pixel 10 lineup will feature 3 models: a standard Pixel 10 with a 6.3-inch display, a Pixel 10 Pro of the same size, and a larger Pixel 10 Pro XL with a 6.8-inch screen. Despite the Pixel 9 recently dropping the iconic camera bar, it looks like the Pixel 10 series is keeping it. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 is expected to run on the Tensor G5 processor, which will be built using TSMC's 3nm process instead of Samsung's, as was the case with previous Tensor chips. This should, in theory, lead to better efficiency and performance compared to the 4nm Tensor G4. However, leaker Chund has claimed that the G5 is essentially just a TSMC-made version of the G4, so expectations for a major leap in power should be kept in check. That said, Google's Pixel phones have never been about raw performance. The real draw has always been their smart eye-powered features, and the Pixel 10 is rumored to introduce several new ones. These include Video Generative ML for advanced video editing, Speak-to-Tweak for hands-free photo edits, and Sketch-to-Image, which is similar to Samsung's Galaxy AI tool. There's also talk of a new contextual assistant called Pixel Sense, designed to adapt to how users interact with Google services. The Pixel 10 isn't expected to launch until August at the earliest, so there's still plenty of time for more details to emerge. With Google-made phones consistently ranking among the best Android devices, there's a lot of excitement around what's coming next. So, are you looking forward to the Pixel 10? Which rumored feature sounds the most exciting? Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, peace out.